Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the workbook and Excel version so you know why compatibility mode appears. Open the file, look at the title bar. If it says compatibility mode, the workbook was saved in an older format. Once done, save a backup copy to avoid data loss. Make sure you have full write permissions on the file. Then proceed to the File menu to prepare conversion. This is the first actionable step to remove compatibility constraints and let newer features work. You now convert the workbook and inspect any issues. Go to File, Info, and choose Convert to upgrade the file to the current Excel format. This changes the internal structure so new features work. Next, run the compatibility checker to list features that might change. Review each item and decide whether to update features or preserve legacy behavior. If prompts ask to remove or change content, accept or adjust as needed. Finally, save the file as XLSX to finalize removing compatibility mode. Finish by saving, closing, and reopening the workbook to confirm compatibility mode is gone. If issues persist, revert to your backup and revisit the compatibility checker entries. Fix charts, formulas, or controls that were flagged before converting. Make sure to run inspect document to clear hidden legacy elements like old ActiveX controls that can re-trigger compatibility warnings. One troubleshooting tip. If conversion corrupts layout, open the backup. Remove the specific legacy feature, then convert again. That isolates the problem without losing work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.